Welcome to Writing Tech series on Excel 2016, and in this video we want to look at working on the order in which the scores for these students come. The list is short enough to fit on the screen, but in a real scenario we can have as many as 100 students listed with their marks, and to do it manually we will have a hard time trying to decide which is the highest number, which number comes next, and so on. So we're going to allow Excel to do the work for us. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look at the range that I'm working with, and I'm going to give that range a name. So I will select from here is E5 to E14. Now if you look over here in the name box, you'll see E5, which is the first cell that was selected. I am going to remove that E5 from there, and I'm going to give this range a name. I'm going to call this my marks. Now, very critical, when you type the name for the range, press enter on the keyboard. Now to see if it had worked, you can click anywhere else on the screen. You see the name will disappear, and you go back and select your range again, and you see the name comes right back in the name box. That range we'll be using in the formula to work out the rank for the students. So we're now ready to work out the rank for the first student. So we type equal rank, open parenthesis, and in the tip below, you see that the first thing that is asking for is a number that we want to compare with the range. The number is to the left of where I'm typing, so I can click on E5, and I put my separator after E5. The formula then asks what is the range, the reference range that I want to use. I have already named my range, so I can just type my marks. I note carefully that my spelling must be exactly as it was, including the capitals. Otherwise the computer will not find my range. And you see that my entire range is now highlighted with that red border around it. And my word is also in red. Now, interesting to note here is that there are no spaces in the name of the range. That is critical to remember. When you are naming your range, ensure you do not use any spaces nor any special characters. I can now put my separator. I know I have to decide whether I want my rank to be in ascending order or descending order. And the computer gave me a little tip. It says to use 0 for descending and 1 for ascending. And I already know that I want descending order because I want the highest number at the top. So I put my 0. And I can now close my parenthesis. And I will press enter. And here it is. The guy who got 80 is second in the list. If you look at the list, you'll see that there's one mark higher, that is 91. Let's see how the formula works for the others. So I will then copy the formula down by grabbing this little handle. And there you go. 91 is first, 80 is second, 77 third, 73 fourth, and fifth is 66, and so on. That is how we do rank. Enjoy.